In the garden of kindness we sow, with hearts open wide, love will grow. Sweet tea daily spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nicole, and today I'm continuing my series of videos unboxing popular children's characters. Today is a Barbie theme, and it's for a girl who's 10 to 14. Let's get started. When she opens her box, this is what she'll see, and I will take out the papers so that you can see the lid design. I'm also going to take off this little stuffed animal so that you can see it better. The lid says Jesus loves you. It has Barbie and one of her friends and some accessories. If you would like to use this lid design for your own shoe boxes, just click the link in the description box that says lid design and it will take you there. This lid design is also available on my website, sweetteadaily.com. So the first thing that she will see is the stuffed animal. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the bag. I put it in this bag to smoosh it down so that it would fit in the box better. But I thought a Barbie box needed a pink poodle. Isn't it cute? It has a little heart on the foot because I got it from Walmart last Valentine's Day. And I believe it was $2.97. And I don't remember if I got it after Valentine's Day or if I paid the regular price of $2.97, I can't remember. But isn't it cute? It's got a little black nose and a little smile. Next, she has this little headband with some butterflies and flowers on it. Some sparkles on there. And her wow gift is this birthday Barbie, and I'm going to take it out of the bag so that you can see her a little better. This Barbie's name is Ella, and she is a birthday themed Barbie, and she has some beautiful gold shoes on. I don't know if you can see. They sparkle. Her hair is really soft. She comes with some accessories. So this Barbie has some accessories. I've included this gold evening dress and this necklace. This butterfly crown came with the Barbie. And this little purse with a little butterfly on it came with her as well. When I opened the box of the Barbie, these little butterflies flew out. The box was rigged so that when you opened it, butterflies would come flying out of the box. It was the neatest thing. Next, she has this t-shirt with butterflies on it. I got this on clearance from the Children's Place. They have the best prices for really cute graphic t-shirts. And it's a size 14. That way she can grow into the item. She has a little puppy dog and a kitty cat to go with her Barbie. And here are more accessories I'll lay out for you. So her hair accessories, she has a velvet scrunchie, a little coil band for her hair, and these barrettes. Next, I have some jewelry for her. I found this necklace on sale at Target, and it has some little butterflies on it. I thought that was so pretty and delicate. She has a gold necklace, a cross bracelet, and another cross necklace. And I should also mention that I did not pay for this Barbie. This was a gift, a Christmas gift from my husband's godparents. I had put her on my Christmas wish list. Next, I have some more accessories for her. I bought this at the Dollar Tree, and I decided to keep it in the package because there are two Barbies on here that look like the Barbie on the lid. Next, I have her feminine hygiene products in here. I have some reusable pads and 2 pairs of underwear and an emery board. Next, she has this necklace or bracelet making kit. She has a toothbrush, and one of these spinner bracelets that light up. And if you've seen some of my other videos, you've seen this. It's really neat. It twirls around and it lights up, and it's really cool. I have a pair of scissors for her. I have some deodorant for her. She has this cup that pops out. It's a collapsible cup. She has a jump rope. 2 pairs of shoes that I got on sale from Old Navy. And I don't remember how much they were, but I did pay for them with Old Navy points. And I think the total came up to about $1 that I paid out of pocket. She has a soft washcloth, a handkerchief, here is her pencil pack. She has 5 pencils, 2 pens, 2 sharpeners, some pencil caps, and an eraser and a ruler. She has a glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick. Another pencil sharpener. This book called New Day, New Life, Jesus Lives. And if you've seen my other videos, you know how much I love to include picture books for kids of all ages. I know that she may not know English or be able to read English, but I think it's really fun to include picture books that have really beautiful pictures in them. Some children have never had a book before, so I like to include books in my boxes. Next, she has 2 princess headbands. I got this at Party City. It was, I believe it was 60% off. And some colored pencils for her. Oops. And I have a bag for her. Oops, sorry. And I'm gonna do a close-up of this box. I lined the inside of this box with some pink striped contact paper. I just thought that that would make it look pretty and girly. And I love to decorate the inside of the boxes. I think it's fun. Next, she has this card with our picture on it and our letter to the child. She has a notebook for school. and a Barbie coloring book. I like this coloring book. I got it on sale at Party City this week. And I like the pictures in here. The girls are very wholesome. And it just looks like a really fun coloring book for this age. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your Shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles to